In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can check if iPhone battery is boosted or not. So let's get started. So first of all is that you want to go into the settings of your iPhone. Now, instead of going into battery, you want to go into the camera app. So it's right here. Tap on it. And from here, you want to go and enable the use volume app or volume up for burst. I'm sorry. So once you have enabled that option, you can now go back and go into your camera app. Now, once you're here, is that you just simply need to long press or hold your volume up button so that you'd be able to take burst photos right there. And then you want to do this for at least 2 minutes. And from there, you can judge if you have a lot of battery drained in that specific amount of time. Because if there are a lot of battery that has been drained while doing that for 2 minutes, then that means that your battery is boosted, or there is a high probability that it's boosted. So take note of that. And then, yeah, that is basically it on how you can check if your iPhone battery is boosted. Just make sure to not do this all the time because it could damage your battery if you do this always. Just sometimes. Okay? Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.